Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat camera quality on your Android phone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're going through a Snapchat camera problem and your camera is blurry and you are not being able to take any picture or video on Snapchat, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Simply turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or simply check if you've turned on your Wi-Fi or cellular data. If it is already connected but still you're having issue, try turning on the flight mode and wait for a couple of seconds. After waiting for a couple of seconds, turn off your flight mode and get connected to an internet again. Once you're connected to an internet, go open up your Play Store or your App Store, search for Snapchat by typing it in the search box, and once you perform your search, if you see an update button right next to Snapchat app, it means you'll need to update your application right now. Simply tap on update and download the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device. It'll only take a couple of seconds. Once you've updated your application, simply tap on open and launch open your Snapchat app again. If necessary, log into your account. Now simply check your camera quality if it fixed anything or not. If it still does not work, you can always restart the application. Simply close off your Snapchat application or any other application that is running on your background. Wait for a couple of minutes and now you can go back to Snapchat and see if that fixes the issue. This will surely improve the smooth running of the application and your problem might be solved. Another fix you could try out is to simply clear out your cache and data from your Snapchat app. Go and find Snapchat application from the app drawer, and once you find it, press hold the app for quite some time. Now tap on app info in the pop-up, tap on storage from the app info page, and tap Clear Cache at the bottom right. Once you clear out your cache data from your Snapchat app, go back to your Snapchat application and launch it open and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to use your Snapchat camera quality at its best. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.